Throughout the year 2021, several exemplary Jamaicans have passed away, leaving the country in mourning. From music extraordinaires to titans of industries to exemplary educators and people within the health sector, the year has been a sad one for many. While individuals mourn the loss of loved ones who remain etched on memories, it's important to appreciate the contribution of many of these prominent Jamaicans who have departed and whose legacy will forever be a part of our country's collective memory. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk, and the countdown begins now. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV's special report on some popular Jamaicans that we lost in 2021. We hope that you enjoyed watching as we enjoy broadcasting this to you. The countdown begins now. First making it on our list is Gordon Bush Stewart. The genesis of the year brought news of the passing of business extraordinaire Gordon Bush Stewart, a stalwart of the Jamaican tourism industry and the founder of the Sandal Group, the Jamaica Observer and the ATL Group. Stewart passed away in Miami on January the 4th, 2021 after ailing for some time. He will be remembered as a champion for the Caribbean who made such an impact through his innovative contribution to the region and also the local economy. The local media fraternity was plunged into mourning last year as news spread of the passing of veteran journalist Michael Sharpe. The veteran journalist Michael Sharpe was a staple in media for 40 years. Sharpe, who was known for his fearless hard-working demeanor and sharp intellect, worked in numerous capacities throughout his life. He served as deputy news editor for the RGR News in the 90s and became the face of television Jamaican news anchor on the primetime news. On TVJ with Doreen Samuels, as many can recall, and shortly before his passing on April 20, he became the news operation manager for the Jamaica News Network. Next making it on the list is a well-known figure in the Jamaican entertainment space. Local theatre community was plunged into mourning on the 9th of July 2021 following the passing of veteran stage, film and television actor Valere Johnson. Valere Johnson, best known for his audience of the younger character Maffy, passed away at the Kingston Public Hospital after suffering a heart attack. His passing, which came suddenly, left his good friend and fellow comedian Oliver Samuel in shock. Next making it on the list was the passing of the frontline man himself of the reggae group, Toots and the Maytals. Toots passed away at age 77. The Jamaican singer passed away peacefully on September the 11th, surrounded by his family at the University Hospital of the West Indies in Kingston, Jamaica. Next making it on the list, the local entertainment fraternity was once again plunged into mourning following the passing of reggae singer Bunny Wailer. Bunny Wailer passed away at age 73 years old. He was the last surviving original member of the group Bob Marley and the Wailers, which featured Bob Marley and Peter Tosh. Together they helped spread the music of Jamaica worldwide. Next making it on the list is the passing of Lee Scratch Perry, the reggae giant and dub pioneer. He passed away at age 85 years old. Lee Scratch Perry was a performer who worked with acts such as Bob Marley and pioneered both dub and roots reggae for the world to see. Next making it on our list is Robbie Shakespeare. Grammy Award winner Robbie Shakespeare was a highly talented yet humble bassist who worked alongside Gregory Isaac, Peter Tosh, and many other prolific musicians. He was among the 50 greatest bassists of all time, list compiled by the Rolling Stone magazine in 2020. After a long battle with kidney-related complications, Shakespeare passed away on December 8, 2021. The local football fraternity was plunged into mourning following the passing of Tremaine Stewart. The sudden passing of Tremaine Stewart in April jolted the local football community, where many had high hopes for the promising 33-year-old. He was also a former reggae boy star would have played in numerous matches and represented the country very well. Yes, yes, yes. The local fraternity of the sports industry was once again plunged into mourning following the passing of former Reggae Boys star Luton Shelton. Luton Shelton passed away after ailing for some time. So the former reggae boy, Luton Shelton, captured the hearts of Jamaican with his exemplary skill on field. However, Shelton's legacy will be defined by his tenacity as the star footballer. He battled an illness for some time since 2017, recognized as a star gone too soon. Luton Shelton passed away sadly at age 35 years old on January 23, 2021, ended his career with 35 international goals. On November 27, 2010, he became Jamaica's all-time lead goal scorer with 30 goals. In addition, unforgettable match, he scored one of the two goals that led Jamaica's first ever win over the United States, which cemented his place of one of Jamaica's greatest footballers of all time. Next making it on our list is popular attorney at law Ernest Smith. Sad to say, Mr. Smith passed away on August 18 after ailing for some time. Mr. Smith would have represented a number of Jamaicans during various court matters and in most recent time would have represented the now incarcerated star Tommy Lee Sparta. Next making it on our list is Edith Alwyn Anderson. She would have been the voice of the silent Jamaican nurses and would have represented the Jamaican nurses in a number of wage disputes involving the Jamaican government. The former president of the Nurses Association of Jamaica, Edith Alwyn Anderson, passed away at age 66. She worked as a nurse for 35 years before retiring. Alwyn Anderson had been ill for some time and had been receiving dialysis weekly since 2014. She spent decades in her health service at the Mandeville Regional Hospital and then the Kingston Public Hospital. The local and international music fraternity was plunged into mourning last year as news spread of the passing of veteran DJ U-Roy, more popularly known as Daddy U-Roy. So the veteran Jamaican DJ and vocalist, more popularly known as U-Roy, passed away at age 78 years old. His death came in the middle of the celebration of Reggae Month in Jamaica, which focuses on the impact of the musical genre and the country's social, cultural, and economic development. Daddy U-Roy is one of Jamaica's most influential figures, and he started his early musical career in the early 1960s on Sound System and hit the charts right around the world in the 1970s and cemented himself as a household name not only locally but also on the international market. He will be remembered for his contribution to the local development of the Jamaican music and for his incredible talent as a musician and also how he represented the culture. Every year we lost individuals that would have impacted our life in some shape or form or another. It could be in the local theater system, it could be in music, sports, and just generally within media. Whichever way it goes, these people have edged on the hearts and minds of many and have cemented themselves as a household name, sometimes not even only locally, but even on the international space. We just want to remember them and hopefully you can remember them too. This is Links 007 TV and this is where we're going to take you out for this report once more. This concludes Jamaica Top Stories for 2021. We hope that you enjoyed watching as we enjoy broadcasting this to you. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk and thanks for watching.